In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Skate 3 local multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Skate 3 does feature couch co-op. In this version of couch co-op for Skate 3 specifically, each player will take their turn with the controller. So player 1 will do a session, do all of the tricks, try to amass as many points as possible, and then they will pass the controller to player 2, who is going to do the exact same thing. After they try to get their points, they will pass the controller to player 1, and so on, until they compare to see who got the highest score at the end. So in order to access this mode, you will have to go over to the career menu, so pause the game at any point. On the main tab here, you will find Party Play. If you don't have access to this menu, so if you don't see it at all, or if it is grayed out, this is because you need to purchase a specific DLC. This one, the San Van Party Pack. It is available for $6.99 on the Xbox Store or the Microsoft Store. So if you don't have this already, make sure that you purchase the San Van Party Pack. The party is on, revisit some old favorites along with a massive new park. As you can see, Party Play is back, so get ready for some head-to-head skating and spot battle. So all that you have to do is purchase the San Van Party Pack and then pause the game at any point and choose your mode from here. Once you go inside, you will be able to customize the amount of players, the location, the settings about the game according to your preference, and then accept all of these. Then customize the actual players, and then start. Like I said before, each of you will start doing tricks. So player 1 will try to do as many tricks as possible, get a bunch of score, tricks in sequence, and then once they are done, they will pass the controller to the other player. This will happen, then they will do all of the tricks, pass the controller back, and of course, if you are playing between 2 players only, you will pass the controller back and forth, but if you have more, it's just going to go down the list until eventually everyone takes their turn. Whoever has the highest score at the end is declared the winner. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on how to play couch co-op on Skate 3, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.